It makes me smile. The building I'm walking past right now, this one, this abandoned one, used to be the library, and like, this is where I spent all my childhood, and now it's gone. Well, it's moved, but that's where I basically lived every summer. Bobby. Taking this one on an adventure. Aren't we, Papa?
Of all things, lacy Brazilian liquors.
Oh, Bobby, what's that? What is it? Open. What's she doing?
You need to treat me like a princess today, okay? Because it's National
I think my nan and Bump are here.
Liddy,
Hello.
how are you, my flower?
Jesus Christ. It's gonna be the last Fanta I have in a while, I swear. Wait, come on. Come on, you're falling out of me. Yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. Different jeans, same top. It's currently a thunderstorm, but I think it may have finished, which would be just my luck. Okay, that was lightning. Just had like this really shitty mood come over me and I'm trying to do something to fix it. So I'm thinking a little look on Netflix. See if there's anything that'll cheer me up. Failing that, I'll have to get on with sorting my room out. And I also need to pack for when I move out, because I'm moving back to uni soon. Ah. There it is. Leave my room. Please. You're useless. Why aren't you killing it? Find the window. That's it. Find the... Okay. It's gone, but it flew up my face. Check out that valley sunset. Damn, son. Right, I'm going dairy free when I go back to uni. Just because like my lactose intolerance and my health has taken a major dive because I haven't been taking care of it properly. Yeah, so I'm gonna go dairy free. And I'm looking at the dairy free products they have on Asda. When I come across this. It's not dairy free, it would have that on it if it was. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm just very, very baffled.
Oh, 0800 500 289 or visit bt.com/deals.
In Hollywood, some seek fame, some seek fortune, but they all seek Tyler.
The reconstruct, basically make her know.
I just filmed a video and it's Rubbish. I have one fan. I crack myself up. I can't. Editing makes me so sleepy. I didn't even start editing and I started falling asleep. It's like my brain knows when it sees that screen. It's like, no, 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 not again, no. I should take a nap, I think. Nap. No.
Dark forest sometimes. Oh, you recording that? Guitar solo.
Does your mama know?
Oh, here comes Morgan.
Oh, Callie is so dramatic. I had a Lucozade earlier, and me and energy drinks do not get along, and now my head feels like death. So that's great. I realised that I haven't really vlogged that much today because I haven't done that much. I've just spent my morning catching up on YouTube, and I just wanted to get me and my sister lunch because I'm nice.
All it takes is for one person to have a tiny little bug for it to...
Yes, ma'am. You flick into that. Oh.
Just need to find somebody brilliant. We're looking for a star.
What's the matter? I'm communie.
Oh yeah, 50 miles per hour. That's definitely how fast.